everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the golden eggs for free in Grow a Garden. So in this Easter update, there's a new item that called golden egg. It looks like this, and you can get the random rewards from it. You can get many pets on here from this golden egg, and normally you can buy a golden eggs from the golden store, this one, but for buy this golden egg you need 25,000 coins, chocolate coins. But don't worry, there's a free way to get them. You just need to join the egg war event. This event happens every hours and lasts for 2 until 3 minutes, and during this event you can collect golden eggs that spawns around the garden, and more you grab the more rewards that you can get. But keep in mind, this is a competitive event, so you will be fighting with other players to collect the eggs. So for a tip, if you want to farm safely and get more golden eggs, just try joining the event in your private server. In that way you don't have to compete with other players. And okay, that's it. That's how you can get the golden eggs for free in Grow a Garden. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.